no. Why are you disturbing yourself over what does not concern you?
Ichimweze, I'm so surprised that this is coming from you. Akama clan will not be denied of their rights.
Are you from Akama clan? Allow them to fight themselves.
This is our land. It is your duty and I, as elders of this land, to defend our people's interests.
And that is what I'm doing. We need the best hand to mount the throne. And Ubiago is the best. He has the money to develop our community. Let Akama people take over from him after him.
Ichemweze, you have sold your soul to the devil.
What?
I said, you have sold your soul to the devil. That is why you cannot reason well again.
Oh no, you have insulted me.
Oh, expect more insult from me. The people of this land will revolt against you and your cohorts. I am going to expose and disgrace you people. Mark my words. I said, mark my words.
What's the meaning of this? Okay, let's watch out and see how you're going to disgrace me and expose all of us. We are waiting for you.
Barnabas, is here Barnabas on up here? Barnabas? Yes? Hey! Ezuko! This one you are here this morning. Actually I wanted to eat, Come and sit down and eat with me. Yeah?
Barnabas, it's not a matter of coming to sit down or eating food. Yes. I just want to know if you have heard.
If I've heard. Heard what?
Lotanna has returned from Obodo Ibo.
Lotanna?
Yes.
You mean our own Lotanna?
Bonkweb.
But I thought he was in prison abroad.
He returned 3 days ago. But he is in police cell. Ubiego locked him up.
Ubiego, his brother, locked him up?
Yes.
For what?
I don't have the full details now. But I learned that he returned and had problem with Ubiego. He had to lock him up.
Look, Ezuko, we need to find out what actually happened. Because I don't see any reason why Ubiego should just lock his brother that just returned from abroad. Why?
Oh yes, I knew that you are not aware of that. That's why I say I should come and inform you so that we can know what to do about it.
It's okay, Chere? Let me go. Please, come and sit down. Let me go inside so that I can dress up.
This is urgent matter. Just go in and dress. Let's go.
You want to stand here?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me.
Your brother just returned from Obodo Ibo. Fiam, you carry him into prison, into bagam. Okay, see me fe. Mbano. Omeme.
Oh no. He's hell-bent on disrupting the good vision you have for your people. He even said that he will not be alive to watch you become the Igwe of this land.
Oh no, who said that?
Oh yes. He even said so many things. He also threatened that he's going to persuade the people of the land to revolt against you. And not only that, we need to do something very fast. You know, Ono is the man of the people. And he has a lot of influence. We better be fast.
Thank you very much for the information. My boys will give you something on your way out.
Ubiego one of Amazing Land. Ubiego one of Amazing Land. Thank you very much.
Cheer.
Yes.
Do not worry about her no more. I'll take care of her.
Hi, I know what you can do. The Iroko himself. I'll beg to leave now.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know, I am a lipo nati follow nego denade. I would be a go one no na meza. Would be a go buku dogo. Ndazona kotano jinubi iele manikenga bego kona kotanubi yao. Onwele kodogu se meni feo. Okwane kwane meme. Ai ubie gone no wao. Iye ubiana kote gone no wao. Onye jego no mwelonu. Aiye onye jego no pupo dogu.
Obiego one.
Oh no, woo. Onowu, Ubiego has come to see you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Provided you came in peace.
Of course, I always come in peace. Ubiego is a man of peace. Onowu, the Bible says, ask and you shall receive. So ask. Tell me what you want and you will have it. If you want a new building, believe me, I can demolish this structure and put up a mansion here in 3 days.
Obiego War, I need nothing from you. You are just being desperate over nothing. You see, Mweze and Co are only misleading you.
Nobody is misleading me, Ono. They have made the right choice. We are talking about developing this community, our dear community. And you and I know that no other person can do it better than Ubiego One.
Obiego War, in this village, we have procedures. And those procedures will flow to the letter.
Ono, Afrive Kubi. Eleoba. No, every man has a price. Name yours.
Ubiego War, I hold nothing against you, but Akama clan cannot be denied their royal chance.
Oh no. Action speaks louder than words. Jojo Watiba.
Ubiego n'ụwa ihe ubi a na-akọta ego n'ụwa onye ji ego n'onwere ọnụ ihe onye ji ego n'ọkpụkpụ odogwu a na-ekwu ekwu a na-eme.
Open it up. Show him. Oh no. Can you see? All yours. Hand it over to him. Oh no. Be rest assured that when I become king, more of this will be coming your way on a steady basis. Have a nice day.
Onye ji ego n'ọkpụkpụ odogwu a na-ekwu ekwu a na-eme ifugo ubi ego n'ojikwanụ nkụ. Everybody one rapper ifugo nụnụ aya na-elipụ na-apịfalụ n'ego dị na dị ubi ego wanụ na meze ubi ego bụkwa odogwu ndị ọzọ na-akụta n'uji n'ubi ihele na n'ike ngaba ego ka ọ na-akụta n'ubi ya o nwere
Ezuko, you said you came with good news. Ezuko, you said you have good news for me. Huh?
Oh, yes.
Spill it out. Share it. You know, I don't like suspense. Huh?
Ubiego came to my house. You won't believe what he told me.
He came to your house. So, what did he tell you?
He said he visited Onowu and that Onowu is now on our side.
Onowu on our side?
Yes.
Are you sure? You mean Onowu is ready to work with us now?
Oh, yes.
Bochire, did Ubiego tell you how much he gave to him?
He did not tell me, but I know that he must have settled Onowu heavily for him to succumb to our side.
You're very right. You're very right. You see, this Onowu, he's a very greedy man. I've known him to be very, very greedy. That was why he was refusing to cooperate with us. He was being obstinate so that Ubiego will go and settle him specially. Eh?
It's true, but let that not bother you. Eh? The important thing is that he is right now on our side. And that means less work for us.
Well, you're right. At least it will facilitate our work. And if we succeed, we'll make more money.
Oh, yes.
But did you tell Ubiego that we came to his place yesterday?
Yes. He did not want to talk about his case with Lotana. And I observed that he doesn't want to open up about that. So I didn't want to bother him about it. But I discovered that we can still go to Lotana and learn whatever we want to learn from that case. I understand that he returned this afternoon from the cell.
Oh, he's back from the cell?
Yes.
Okay. I think you're right.
I went to Ikenga's house times that number. He told me that I had no money.
Hey, Ajonwa, wicked man. He never wanted Lotana to come back so that he would be able to cover up his evil deed.
I can't forget what he told me in a hurry. The last time I visited him, he told me that he's not the one that sent Lutana to do drug business. Forgetting that same drug business, you get the money that he used to enrich himself.
Hey! He can't get your own job. Job. Hey! Hey, what? Hey! Lutana! Where are you going with this?
The heads will roll! Heads will roll! The king had the guts to lock me up in police cell. He had the guts to lock me up in police cell. I'm going for that. Don't take close to you.
Hey!
Who am I seeing? Who have I seen?
Where is he running to with a cutlass? Eh? Barnabas, I suspect he's running to Ikenga's house. With a cutlass? That means there is trouble. And therefore we should know what is happening. We should go follow them and know what is happening.
Wait, are you saying we should follow him?
Oh yes. Before it becomes too late.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
Hey! Who is in this house? Oh no! Oh no! You're welcome. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Oh no, you have at last done it. That's wonderful of you. I am indeed very happy. What we are going to do now is put our heads together and see how we can move this community forward. Eh? How do you look at it?
Chenwanze,
Yes.
what are you talking about?
Oh no, how can you be talking like this now? Eh? I'm aware of Ubiogo's visit to your house now and how both of you settled down and resolved the whole matter. In fact, you are a man of honor indeed, Ono. Ono himself.
Is that all?
Are you angry that I'm rejoicing with you? Eh? I know that Ubiogo must have given you a huge sum of money by now. Oh no, are you walking out on me? Oh no! What's going on? Oh no! Look at this man. Okay.
What's going on? Who's making noise?
It's Lutana.
My brother.
And he is threatening to kill you.
Threatening to kill me? Is he mad? Huh? Let me go out there. Come quiet.
No. You don't need to go out. Let's just stay here and wait. Your boys are out there. They'll handle it. You don't need to go outside, please.
What do you mean? I should stay inside. It means I'm a coward. Come quiet, that stupid boy. Go.
No. Listen, you're not listening to me. Your brother is not smiling. He looks dangerous. You don't need to go outside. Just...
Am I smiling?
I know you're not smiling, but please, it's better we sit here and allow your boys handle it. He came here with a cutlass.
Excuse me? Lutana came to my house with a cutlass. I'll kill that boy today. I will kill him and
Listen to me now. What do you want me to say? I don't want anything to happen to you. Let's just wait here and allow your boys. They are there already. Let them just handle it, please.
Is he alone?
No, he came here with Chijoke. He's trying to hold him back. Moreover, your uncle's just got here not quite long. Just relax here, please.
Honestly. I'm not coming to my house with a cut. I will kill that boy and bury him right in this sitting room. Well, tie him my chair. Idiot. Go inside.
Go inside. Okay, let's go in together. we can wait there until everything is
I said go inside. It's an order. Go inside. The God that you obey. Go inside.
Ikenga will come out here. Is it that he kills me or I kill him? Today Ikenga will find out. Is it that Ikenga kills me or I kill him? Mua Bulotana. Lotana knows somebody when I fall. Can this idiot he's playing with my money, my hard-earned money. If you know who Ikenga is, tell him to come out here and face me. Let him come out here and face me. I know he can hear me. Let him come out here and face me. My own money. Do you know how I suffered to make the money? I'm going to steal electric fence. You're going to idiot. Oh, now. We look at the you know how I suffered in the street. Just come down. Tell me to drop this cutlass. Mama, I'm going to tell you why you see now. Going to steal electric fence. Listen to your uncles now. Do I blame him? Do I blame him? We are on the street. We are on the street. We are take her. My hard-earned money. My hard-earned money. They come. You have a good case. You don't spoil it. You have a good case. Don't spoil it. Yes. Calm down. Day and night to make that money. When you kill that woman that work and one of here, that will find house. They come. My man with a laugh for no, Mbitike we Bunyakino, Ibulikemu, we Zabotobu, I, Munaki and Wapano, one day he needed that. Mbitike we Bunyakino, Ibulikemu, we Zabotobu, I, all I want to know, one man in my knowledge, I dress a Muna China.
Oh no, I greet you.
You're welcome. For taking it easy.
I greet you. The news about Ikenga's visit to your house is everywhere. And that's why I'm here.
I'm all ears.
Oh no, I don't want to believe what I heard. I believe you are a notable man in this community. And so, please, oh no, do not allow some scrupulous elements to tarnish your image in this community.
What did you hear?
Forget about what I heard. Oh no, tell Ikenga to mind his miserable life. Akama will not tolerate any move from him to cause anarchy in this community. Tell him that I, Okuwato Ekeneze, is the next Igwe of this land. Take that message to him. Thank you, Unu.
Mama, there is no way I can get married before my elder sister. Oh my God. Imagine the shame I am passing through because of Ikenga and Chioma. I never knew Chioma, my friend, can do this to me. This is too much. I can't bear it. No, I can't. She must surely pay.
I urge everyone to please calm down. Especially you, Lutana. Calm down. My people have a saying that if we consider the length of a snake, we will not see a stick long enough to kill it. There is no problem in this world that does not have a solution. So, please, whatever the problem is, we will find a solution to it.
Uncle, I'm sorry for interrupting you.
Lotana, please, you will still have to talk.
No, I have an observation before we move forward. You all know I left my friend Chijioke. You know how you begged me to keep my cutlass and leave Chijioke out of this family matter. Okay? So now, what are these people doing here? Are they part of this family? Is this not meant to be a family issue that we're meant to solve within us? What are they doing here?
Lutana, mind your business. These are my boys.
Send them out of this place. They're not part of this family.
Oh, Basarogi. This is my house. If you don't like how I run things here, get out.
You are a very wicked man. Wait, you're sending me out of my own property. Out of the money I sent you to build a house for me. You're sending me out. Uncle, tell Ikenga to send these men out of here. Let me do what I came here to do.
Okay, if you will not respect me and then respect the fact that I gave you the privilege to come into this mansion, this edifice that I put here. Okay, me say about
Ikenga edifice, never. Edifice, never go. Ikenga edifice, never go. Come on, calm down. Which edifice, Ikenga? The edifice that I sent you money to build and plan. Calm down, please calm down. You can't give me that money. Okay, you think I'm scared of this reference? One thing get TGP less again. You see why I've been clamoring for these people to leave this meeting? So I can face it. Look, calm down. Okay, Ekon kitchen edifice. I couldn't give you now. Ikenga! You should leave him alone. You should go down. Let him leave him alone.
I've had enough of this nonsense. Tell this boy to leave this house calmly. They're just being lenient with him because he's my younger brother. The boys gave him Ikenga! Let him get out of here.
Ikenga, ask your boys to go outside.
But Lieutenant should calm down now. Let him calm down.
Ikenga, Ini Edo, I swear by our late father's grave, Ini Edo. If you take that money, calm down. Ikenga, calm down.
Hey! Put it down! Leave my brother alone!
Lutana, you've missed the opportunity to speak to me.
Calm down. See, you need to enjoy yourself.
Ikenga!
Hey! You are seeing this empty man and you are still struggling. With your small one.
Did you see Ikenga just walked out? All of us.
Please.
You are of the man.
Carry him outside. Carry him outside now. Don't leave my brother alone. Hey! How was I to know that the source of Ikenga's wealth is Lutana's sweat? Hey!
Lutana made a very big mistake by sending money to Ikenga without anybody's knowledge.
How was he supposed to know that his own elder brother would betray him? But Ikenga ya tafufia omere. He will suffer for it. Oh ya tafufia.
I'm even wondering why he's denying him. Saying that the house he built, that he built it with his money.
How?
Which money? No, which money?
Huh? He said the money I sent to him, Egon Talafu was sent there, that he built it with his money. As at the time I left this country, Ikenga was feeding from hand to mouth.
Aima!
But him no will go. Ntasiafu sent there my money. Only my money. Ikenga, mwa kola za rubiego. Ona za rubiego, nga gwe na mwa akwa na na tego. Ikenga need my money. Ogafuwanya.
Calm down. Everybody's even wondering how he made such money in a short period. He has so many shops in the market.
I don't want to know. I told him, like all those shops, we are going to burn it down. We are going to confiscate all the properties. Okay, you my money. Okay, you not have my money. Because Omalo can't see Tafu or what that money. Does he know how I toiled day and night to make that money? No, does he think I'm scared of those riffraffs he kept in his house in the name of security? Nenga do me pin enough for let's see I can't be scared of. Kenga leave my money. Kenga leave my money. Okay, need the guys. You can't need the guys. Only my money.
Loda, calm down. Let's take this leggy.
Now go on that rubbish. The only legal way is giving me all the money I sent to him. He will give me back all the money. That's the only legal way. That's the only way peace will reign. No, does he know how I suffered? One nanda was in Philippines. From Philippines to Hong Kong prison in Mexico. Brazil Hong Kong prison. From there to Paraguay. How many prisons in Ghana? But I don't like column story. Wakachi need the guys. Okay, need the guys.
Hey. All the time used to bring out no documents. He used to send money to Ikenga. Then we have a good case.
Do you think he still has them?
And then we have a big problem.
Maybe he must have lost them when he had that problem abroad. Hey!
He needs to provide it. If not, we are losing the case.
Hey! Ikenga will up your jaw. Hey! How do you want to do her?
I heard you're back, so I decided to come say welcome.
You did well. So how's your mother and your sister?
They are fine.
Okay.
I also heard about the problem you're having with your brother.
That guy wants to render me useless. But I will never allow that. I'll do all the possible. I will never allow that.
You know, he never mentioned to me that you were the one sending him money.
Of course he won't tell you. He will never tell you that because he had an ulterior motive. Ikenga is very wicked. He is a very, very wicked soul. Very soon, we will dance to the tune of that music. He has made the worst mistake of his life. He's playing with me. With my sweat.
Okay.
With my sweat.
Lutana, it's okay. Please just be very careful with him. Biko.
Me, with my sweat. With my sweat. Anyway, enough of that Mogo first. Let's face you. What happened? I came back and I met him with another person.
Lutana, it's a long story. Let's not go there. Please.
Did you guys quarrel or something?
We didn't quarrel though. How do I even explain this? We never quarreled. Yeah. So I got back from service and realized Ikenga is married to my best friend. I mean my best friend.
Wait, that girl is your friend?
Choma, yes.
Your best friend? Ikenga. Dikeh is full of surprises. Very soon, just very soon, Nemesis will caught up with him.
Dress China, dress Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, men with a laugh of no. One day dress.
What are you doing with the knife? What's going on?
This is end of the road for you. I have come to kill you and take away my wife.
What are you talking about?
Who's there?
Honey, it's me. Please, open the door. I need to talk to you.
Talk to me about what?
It's important. Just open the door, please.
Lutanda, what is the meaning of this? What are you doing, Lutanda?
Girl, who are you asking? Are you asking me what I'm doing? One day, I'm here to take your life. Your miserable life.
Lutanda, hasn't got into this now. I'm your brother. Relax. Huh? Who's there?
It's me, darling. Please open.
My love, is that you? Are you alone?
I'm alone, baby.
Are you sure?
I said I'm alone. What is wrong with you? Are you alright?
I'm fine. How are you? Did you sleep well?
I did. I had a terrible dream about you last night.
Terrible dream. What happened?
Someone tried to kill you.
Who?
Peter.
But not to worry. I was up all night. I prayed. I'm sure everything is fine. It was just one of those dreams.
Did he succeed?
I woke up before he could stab you.
I had a similar dream. In mine, it was my brother who tried to kill me. He actually shot me.
My lovely son, you have to be careful. I mean, this is not ordinary. My own dream felt like it was real. Please, you need to be careful.
Woke full ife no wa wanne e makansi butike no jena Colombia je piale kono ai men full ife no e ma men da la fofo butike mu we bunye gino e bulike mu we zaboto ai muna giye nwokwa no wanne iye ni di men butike mu we bunye gino e bulike mu we zaboto ai ole wa gono mo wanne e manole chi ai dress China, dress
Hey, stop there. Welcome. What do you want, sir?
I came to see Biego 1.
You came to see Biego. Do you have an appointment with him?
Yes, I do.
A boy, come here. Check what is in that bag.
Woke full ife no wa wanne e makansi butike no jena Colombia je piale kono ai men full ife no e ma men da la fofo butike mu we bunye gino e bulike mu we zabodogu ai muna giye nwokwa no wanne iye ni di men butike mu we bunye gino
okay, close it.
Mu we zabodogu ai ole wa gono mo wanne e
fast.
Dress China.
Come with me.
Dress Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano. I men talafu no. One man dress Colombia. Dress Paraguay. One afufunta lelikano. Imano biela wagonu mo. Emakansi boutique mo. Mapu Indonesia je patike. I woke talafu no. Woke full ife no wa wanne e makansi butike no jena Colombia je piale kono ai men full ife no e ma men da la fofo no butike mo we bunye gino e bulike mo we zabodogu ai muna giye nwokwa no wanne iye ni di men butike mo we bunye gino e bulike mo we zabodogu ai ole wa gono mo wanne e manole chi ai dress China, dress Indonesia. Afufunta lelikano, I men
You can sit down here and offer you. Thank you very much. I'm okay.
Make yourself comfortable.
Don't worry about it. Thank you very much.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am Nollywood Movies neko denade I Ubiego one no na mess Ubiego buku Ndazo na kutano chilubi Iyele Manikenga mego kona kutanubi yao
Ubiego one.
Fine, Oma. No,
Onowu, your guy, little man. Welcome to my home. Thank you. Please sit down.
Oh, there's no need for a seat. I came to deliver a message.
No. Osebego, huh? You're in the home of Ubiego 1, Nuhumada. Come on. I don't allow just anybody to come to my house. You being here, believe me, it's a privilege for you to be here. Sit down. Take your time. Enjoy with me. Drink. My boys will get you food. Relax, and then we will talk like men. Okay?
There's no need to worry about that.
All right. Speak to me.
Just the money he brought to my house, I decided to return it to you.
No. Why? If you feel the money is small, let me know. Huh? I'll give you more.
Ubiego, there's no amount of money that can buy my conscience. Again, a quarter of Akama clan, the candidate for the next king of this land, sent a message that you should stay away from the kingship to avoid regrets.
Oh no. Who the hell is Okoli? Get on your elbow. You and I know that Okwato, or whatever they call him, he cannot match me. It's not possible. Not for anything. You who 100 million, I'll drop it here, Okwato and Abale. You who 500 million, Busia here, Okwato and Odumayo. Who the hell is he? Tell me how much he gave to you and I'll double it.
You still don't get it. I won't have returned your briefcase. It's about money. You know too well that Okwato cannot compete with you when it comes to money.
So what is this about?
The truth. Nothing but the truth. The truth is that you should allow Akama clan to enjoy their rights. Have a nice day.
Oh no, I am just coming from your house.
Hope there's no problem.
No problem. You see, I just want us to put heads together, to reason together against the forthcoming elders meeting, so that we know what to present to them. You see, we have little time left.
Che, that meeting will no longer hold again.
Why? What?
Ubiego is in a better position to explain that to you and others.
Oh no, is there anything wrong? Ubiego is in a better position to explain to me and the others. What is going on? Oh no. Let me now go to Ubiego. I know better. He will explain to me.
Ichie Barnabas, I greet you.
Okwoto, to what do I owe this unexpected visit?
I'm here in respect of the rumors going around this community, and I find it very, very disturbing.
Disturbing?
Yes.
And what could that be?
Ichie Barnabas.
Yes.
You're a very good actor. Look at how you are pretending as if you don't have any idea of what I'm talking about. Oh, you want me to buttress? Alright. I'm here to warn you and your fellow elders of this community to desist from any effort of people trying to enthrone Ikenga as the new Igwe of this community. It will not work.
To warn me?
Yes.
And who do you think you are? No, I mean, what gave you the effrontery, the impetus to come to my house and issue threats, spew rubbish from your medulla oblongata on me, Barnabas?
What? Anyway, Okwoto Ekeneze did not come here to batter words with you.
You didn't come here to batter words with me?
Yes.
So why were you vomiting rubbish from your mouth? I mean, why were you speaking nonsense? Those unpredictable words you were using. I mean, threats on me. Why?
Ichie Barnabas, you're warned. Hey. The next time I come here, you know what that means. You know what that means?
That is if you have the opportunity of ever stepping your foot on my compound. If I ever see your foot in this compound again, you will not like what you will say. You hear me? Now get out. All right. Leave my compound, idiot.
I will leave, and you will hear from me.
Look at you.
You will hear from me.
What gave you that impetus to come to my compound and issue threats? Eh? Get out. Hey, idiot. I said leave here. I will stay with you. Stay with you. Idiot. Just imagine this nincompoop coming to my compound to issue threats. Who do you think you are? Hey, Barnabas, you have suffered. Let me see you here again.
Diego, there's no amount of money that can buy my conscience. Again, Okwoto of Akama clan, the candidate for the next king of this land, sent a message that you should stay away from the kingship to avoid regrets.
Rejected my money. Why? All because of what? Because of who? Of water. Who is he? Huh? Who the hell is he? I mean, why Okwoto? Why not me? I need to meet him one-on-one. Face to face, let him stand before me and see I'm okay. Can you want that make on you both?
Is everything all right?
Ono rejected my money.
Why?
I don't know. Said he doesn't need it. Said he will not support me, that I'm not supposed to be king. said he will not stand with me.
I thought they said that man is an honest man.
I don't know, that's his business. All I know is that I've never been this humiliated all my life. Been insulted, me, Ubiego, one of Hamese, insulted by a mere elder, Kedonyobu. Who is he?
Listen to me, my love. Listen to me. Calm down. You don't have to get yourself all worked up. Besides, you have other elders on your side.
Leave all those elders. Uno is very influential, the most influential of all the elders. He's like the mouthpiece of the people. I need him on my side.
That is why you need to be patient. Take your time. Summon Ono again and have a pep talk with him.
That man is very stubborn. Believe me, he's extremely stubborn. And I hate men like him. No matter what you tell him, he just keeps a straight face as if you're talking to a wall. Pussy on our body, you can even.
Also, dear me.
Good day, no.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let me get this for you.
No, it's okay. Don't bother. I don't need to sit. Why did you return the money my husband offered you?
I returned the money because I don't need it. The right thing has to be done in this community.
Oh no, please. You and I know no one is doing the wrong thing. My husband is only ambitious about the development of this land. And I believe you should give him your support.
You are giving your husband the support he needs. But he wants to reap where he did not sow. Akama people are waited for a very long period of time. And it's very bad for anyone who wants to cut short the expectations.
Name your price. I'll persuade my husband to pay you.
My price is peace, progress of this community. And that is what I want. Go home. Tell your husband to forget about this struggle.
Why do you hate my husband so much? Why?
I hate no war. I stand by justice. And by that justice, one more, maybe one man. One man, maybe one more.
I'll give you time to think about it, Ono. I'm ready to offer you double what my husband gave to you. Think about it. I don't know exactly what your problem is. I don't know why you keep putting blames on me. You and I know I did nothing to you. So what is the meaning of this?
You're not even ashamed of yourself.
Hey, ashamed of what? No, tell me, what should I be ashamed of? You are the one who ought to be ashamed of herself, not me. Ah!
Useless woman. In your chicken head, you think you've had your way, right? No, you think you've had your way. I promise you, you must regret this.
Every bit of it. Choma, you will regret it.
You dare to raise your filthy hands on me. Adobe, you raised your filthy hands on me. You slapped me. One of our men said. You raised your hands on me. Anyway, I will let this slide. But I promise you, the next time you dare try this nonsense, I'll deal with you.
And I have not started dealing with you yet.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, really?
I promise you again. You must suffer. I will make you suffer.
Oh, please get out of my sight and keep your empty threats to yourself.
Oh. Empty threats, you said?
Yes, empty threats.
Okay. Fine. Empty threats, Choma.
Now let me warn you. This should be the first and the last time you would stop me on the road. Else, you see this your face? You won't recognize it.
Get up my car! Your chicken brain told you that it's an empty threat, right?
Just try it next time.
No problem.
Adobe, try it next time.
No problem. No problem, Choma. No problem, oh.
For the last time, who wrote that letter?
I did.
You threatened to kill me, kill my wife, and kill yourself, is that correct?
Yes. And I mean every word of it.
You mean every word?
Every word of it.
Every word of it. You think you can kill me? Who thinks you can kill me? Peter thinks he can kill me. Mr. Peter thinks he can kill the most dreaded man in this community. Ubiego one. Turn around and look at me, Peter. I won't hurt you. I'll make you an offer. So you can leave my wife alone. I'll give you 5 million there. Take it, leave town, and do not come here again.